we don't have any plan to have classes today. Therefore, we should be thankful to Dr. Shahin. And I promise that I will not cross the time limit. At 11:30, I will stop my classes. Okay? And today I have so many surprises for you. Wait for the surprise. Okay? Surprises are good for keeping our life safe in Corona time now. Okay? Because we hope that all this pandemic time will be over and tomorrow we will be free and we can have offline classes. Okay, I will do something more about a DPLYR today itself, but actually I am tired of DPLYR. Now I will do something else. Suppose you have a function like this, integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This is equal to, can you see my screen? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse x between 0 and 1, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse 0 is 0. Therefore, an estimate of pi you can get as 4 times integral 0 to 1. Those who are not familiar with integration, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that because integration is not a must for a life. Okay, life is a must for a life. Integration is not a must for life. Okay. Now we go for, if some students are there from commerce or management background, I don't actually. Don't worry about that. Others can do these things. And you go this one. First, you have to define the function. You have to define the function that is f is equal to function as user defined function x. Function x, what was our function? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, you remember this index, curly brackets. Okay, curly brackets, 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. Curly bracket close. Curly bracket close. Then you just use integrate. That's all. We are asking him to integrate. What is to be integrated? Function to be integrated. What is the lower limit? Lower is equal to 0. Upper is equal to 1. That's all. Upper is equal to 1. Finished. Finished. If there are no mistakes, you should get, let us take 4 times. 4 times. You should get to 3.14, etc. What is something wrong somewhere? Something wrong somewhere. What is wrong here? 4 times function x, that is correct. That is correct. 1 by 1 plus x square, that is also correct. 4 times. Any spelling mistake? Any spelling mistake? Integrate, that is also correct. That is also correct. Error in 4 in integrate. Okay, he is not happy with this one. Okay, no problem. Let us avoid that one. Yeah, 0.7853952. Therefore, I shall give some other name for him, I, and I into 4. I into 4. Therefore, he wants integrate alone. Okay.
So we can put a bracket and will it work then?
Which one?
For into integrate, we put a bracket, then error will be
Let
gone.
me check. Let me check. Let me check. Brackets 4 into. This way you,
Yes, sir.
this
Now
way.
we, yeah, close one bracket.
Let us try whether we can cheat him. It is very easy to cheat computer. No, he is not happy with that also. He is not happy with that also. Okay. And 4 star bracket. Let us try this one. He is not happy with that. Argument to binary operator. Okay, no problem. If he is not happy, let us not try to make him happy. This will there. Okay, now 0.7853982 with the error you see 8.7 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, therefore okay, therefore this one. Similarly, I will do 2-3 examples quickly, and another one, the famous function for statisticians, 1 by root 2 pi, 1 by root 2 pi, e raised to minus x square by 2. It is known as Gaussian law of errors for physics and standard normal distribution for statisticians. Okay, and this is a PDF, and integral minus infinity to infinity of this one is 1. Integral 0 to infinity of this is 0.5. Minus infinity to 0 of this integral is 0.5. Minus 1.96 to plus 1.96 of this integral is approximately 0.95. So many things are there. Okay, therefore I shall play here only. I need not type all these things again. 1 by square root of 2 pi, 1 by root 2 pi. I should put this in a bracket. This in a bracket. 1 by root 2 pi into e raised to minus bracket x square by 2. Is it correct? E raised to minus x square by 2. Integrate f lower is minus inf infinity. Capital I you have to give. Capital I you have to give. If you give small I, no problem. It will give an error message. Then you will get. Okay. Therefore, you should get 1. You should get 1. Or approximately 1, because it is done using a numerical technique. Yeah, 1. Absolute error 9.4 e raised to minus 5. Okay. Suppose lower limit is 0 and upper limit is infinity, you should get 0.5. You should get 0.5. 0.5. If lower limit is minus infinity and upper limit is 0, then also you should get 0.5, because it's a symmetric function with respect to the y-axis. Therefore, you should get okay. Then if it is lower is minus 1.96, because I will use this in testing problems and conference interval problems, is 1.96. In some books they are taking 2 also. Okay, no problem. You should get to 0.95 approximately, 0.950042, and minus 1.645 to plus 1.645, you should get approximately 0.9. 0.9. Yeah, 0.9. This is integration. Okay, I shall do one more problem and I will close this chapter. Okay, one more problem, and I think you can do any number of problems now. Okay, what is that problem? Integral 0 to infinity 1 by what function I can take? X plus 1 into root x dx. What is the transformation you have to give? You have to take x is equal to tan square x. Therefore, dx is equal to 2 tan x. Okay, derivative of tan x is secant x tan x. Correct? Therefore, when x is x u is equal to tan square x. So no, x is u is equal to tan square x. Okay. When x is 0, tan 0 is 0, then x is infinity. No, I have made something wrong. Okay. Okay, അതാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. Okay. That is what. Okay. X is equal to tan u. X is equal to tan u. Therefore, dx is equal to secant u tan u. Okay. X is equal to tan square u will be good, I think. Okay. Therefore, it will be 2 tan u secant u tan u. Therefore, when xu is u is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, tan inverse 0 is 0. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, 1 dx is 2 tan u, 2 tan square u secant u. 2 tan square u is 2 tan square u secant u. X plus 1 is 1 plus tan square u, that is secant square u. Okay. And root x is tan u. Root x is tan u. Therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2, 2 will be here. 1 secant u we can cancel, 1 tan u we can cancel. Therefore, it will be tan u by secant u du. Then, what is to be done? What transformation we can give? Tan u is sin u by cos u. Therefore, 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. Tan u is sin u by cos u. Cos u into secant u is 1. Okay. Therefore, sin u du. Okay. 2 into integral of sin u is minus cos u. Correct? 0 to pi by 2. And 2 into cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay. And cos 0 is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, we should get this one. Let us see whether it is coming or not. Where is my cursor? Where is it? Is stuck there. I don't know what happened to it. Okay. Just a minute. Sometimes things are like that. Okay, don't worry. We have to face that also. What happened to this? I don't know. Just a minute, please. Nothing is happening. What is the solution? Control Alt Del. That is the last.
Control C. If it is not working, then we will work.
Control C. Something is happening, but it is not happening in the proper way. It is stuck somewhere here. Then science our next solution.
Alt Control Delete maybe, or
Alt Control Delete. My God, it will take some time. Cancel. Let me try cancel.
cancel would be.
Oh no, he is not happy with that. Please excuse me. Let me check. Oh my God. Thank you, my dear. Okay. Then integrate. What is a function? 1 by x plus 1 into root of x. Okay. 1 by bracket x plus 1 into square root of x. Square root of x. Okay, I have to put the denominator together. Okay. And what was the limit? Lower limit was 0 and upper limit was infinity. Don't forget, you have to use capital INF. Capital INF. Okay, I think now everything is correct. Let us try. 0.5. Why it is point? There was some error. Unexpected curly brackets. What is unexpected curly brackets?
One left bracket is open, sir. Before one, there is a bracket.
Before 1. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Thank you. Is that outside Kerala participant is there? Hello? Outside Kerala participant is there today?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I should be very careful. Okay. Now this is way. Now integration, differentiation is also like that. Suppose f is equal to, there we have to use expression, not function. Expression e raised to x plus sin x plus log x. What is the derivative you are going to get? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of sin x is cos x, and the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Capital D bracket f within single inverted comma x. That's all. Why it is single inverted comma x? Sometimes the function may be of two variables, x and y. Then we have to specify the variable of differentiation. That's all. Yeah, e raised to x plus cos x plus 1 by x. Suppose you want to find a second derivative. What is to be done? D of that, that's all. D of dfx, d of dfx x. D of dfx x. D of dfx x. Then you should get e raised to x minus sin x minus 1 by x square. That should be the answer. E raised to x minus sin x minus 1 by x square. Suppose expression is e raised to x plus sin x divided by log x plus sine cube x. Okay, I don't know the answer. It is a u by v, second function derivative of first function minus first function derivative of the function, the square of the second function, like that. The things are like that. It will work. It will work. It will work. Expression correct. Brackets are correct. E raised to x plus sine x we have put together. Log x plus sine square x we have to put. Sine square x we have to put. Okay. Let us check. Otherwise, don't worry. It will give a error message. Okay. It is an unexpected symbol. What is that unexpected symbol? This may be the unexpected symbol. Therefore, you have to give sin x into sin x. Okay. Unexpected symbol. Where is unexpected symbol? Expx sin x log x plus sin x into sin x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 brackets are there. Which one is not? Girish, tell me, my dear, which one I have to close or open? This one closed? Correct? Sin x, sin x.
Sir, f is functional. F is equal to function.
Expression.
Expressional.
Yes. Yeah, you got the answer. Okay, e raised to x plus cos x divided by log x minus, that is, this you have to check. This we shall do a small function, e raised to x by sin x. Then it is very easy for us. E raised to x by sin x, then sin x into derivative of e raised to x minus e raised to x into derivative of sin x divided by sin square x. Okay, bracket correct. This bracket is not needed. This bracket is not needed. A raised to x by sin x. This bracket is also okay. That is fine now. Then sin x into e raised to x minus e raised to x into minus cos x divided by sin square x. Okay, e raised to x by sin x minus e raised to x into, oh, it is simplifying everything. E raised to x by sin x. Okay, e raised to x by sin x. Derivative is sin x into e raised to x minus e raised to x into cos x divided by sin square x. Therefore, e raised to x by sin x minus e raised to x into cos x by sin square x. Sometimes it may take it as cot x into something. I don't know what form it is taking. E raised to x by sin x. That's the first step. E raised to x by sin x. Second one, e raised to x into cos x by sin square x. Oh, this was the mistake. Previously, we have made sin upper arrow 2. Sin square x we have to give in this way. Okay. Therefore, e raised to x into cos x by sin square x. Correct. Therefore, this is how you can. Actually, this is not a part of our discussion. You can solve a partial equation, differential equations, and so many things you can do. But I just gave you a flavor of that. That's all. That is all. Okay. You can do integration. You can do differentiation. Okay. You can do partial differentiation also. You can do partial differentiation also. You can do. Suppose the function is x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, that is the importance of that def. Okay, that is the importance of this one. No, here I have to do. I promise to tell a story. I will do it later. Okay, expression and dfx, we will get 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. If it is with respect to y, you will get 2x plus, with respect to x, it is 2x plus 2y. If it is with respect to y, it will be 2y, with respect to y. Therefore, x is a constant. Okay, therefore 2x plus 2y also, then also it is correct. Okay, now you consider d of dfx with respect to x. I am not discussing more about these things because you are going to get a wonderful talk from Professor Govindaraj. Okay, that is 2. That is 2. That is partial d square f by dx square. Therefore, 2y is a constant, derivative is 0, derivative of 2x is 2, like that. Okay, a simple thing you can do. In physics and etc., you may need it sometimes. Therefore, that about that. Then I will do some simple things. Okay.
Sir, integration. Sir, integration ഇന്റഗ്രേഷന്റെ ആഫ്റ്റർ ഒരു ഡോളർ വാല്യൂ കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഒക്കെ കിട്ടും. ആ എറർ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ സാർ നേരത്തെ 4 ഇൻറ്റു മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ കൊടുത്തപ്പോൾ എറർ വന്നില്ലേ? അത് ഇന്റഗ്രേഷൻ അതിനുശേഷം ഡോളർ VAL കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we can remove that error term. Then multiplication is possible.
Okay. Then it will come. Somebody asked about graphs with so many things. Okay. Let me do. Let us take some dummy values. X is equal to C bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Y is equal to, I will take 1, 4, 9, 16. It is square of that. Okay. 25. I need not do all these things. I just write y is equal to x into x. It will do. Okay. And xy. Let me take another one. yy. C bracket 1, 5, 12, and 21, 34, 51, 72. Okay, and y. Okay, you can give any name. 1, 6, 14, 1, 6, 14, 28, 47. 28, 47. These things are highly useful for physics and chemistry, botany, zoology researchers. Okay. Let me check length of x, and it is very similar to copying and pasting comma. Okay, it is easy to count. Okay, but when somebody is there to do our work, we are not doing anything ourselves. We will ask them to do 7777, no problem. Otherwise, it will give error message. Number of elements tally. Plot. Okay. Plot. And okay. Plot x comma y, x comma plot x comma y, comma type, what type you want. I told you what is the purpose of type. If you want simply points, then you do nothing. You do nothing. If you want simply line, you just type L. If you want a points on line, you give something else. And color, what color? I am a fan of red. Okay. ECH is equal to 0. LTY is equal to 1, line type. Okay. And what is the maximum value? Maximum value is 106. Therefore, I have y limit is equal to C brackets 0, 110. Everything correct? Otherwise, no problem. It will give an error message. Then we can correct it. Yeah. Therefore, this is the curve of y. This is the curve of y. Okay. Then points and x comma yy, x comma yy, and color is equal to, what color is good with red? Green will match. Okay, nowadays even masks are coming with matching shirts and other things. Okay, and PCH, what PCH you want? Let be star. Okay, let it be star. Okay, and you want to, if you do these things, what will be happening? You will get only points. Okay, you can see green is not good now. What color we can get? Something darker, magenta. Is the spelling correct? Magenta. Only girl students know the, yeah, magenta is a little bit good. Let it be dark magenta. Why not? Why we behave like a miser? Let it be dark. Okay, dark magenta. Now the points are there. Now if you want to connect it, lines brackets, x comma yy. It is better you paste and copy, no problem. Okay, because once it is done correctly, it is better. Color is not needed, and line type is equal to, you can give 2 or 3, no problem. And if you want, you can give LWD, line width, let it be 3, no problem. So that you can see a thick line. You can see a thick line. Okay, it is 2. Line type 2 is like the broken line. Okay, now I am a lazy man. I am not going to type these things. I am just copying and paste it. X, Y, color, purple will do. Let us see. Or violet is good. Purple is good, I think. Purple is good. Purple is good. Otherwise, we can change it. Okay. And what is PCH1? You can give a different sign. Let it be plus. Let it be plus. And lines again, YYY. Color we have to change. Otherwise, you will get dark magenta. Purple. Purple. Let it be LPY is something different. 3. So many line types are there. Let it be 3 or 4. Let it be 4. Let it be 4. Let it be 4. Yeah. Therefore, you can have more graphs. You can have more graphs. You can have more graphs like this so that you can consider this is a behavior at the temperature 25 degrees centigrade. It is a behavior at a temperature 30 degrees centigrade. This is a behavior at a temperature 50 degrees centigrade. Or this is under that pressure. This is under that pressure. This is under that pressure. This is the reaction with the chemical 1, reaction with the chemical 2, reaction with the chemical 3. Okay, whatever may be situation. Okay, now you have to, somebody asked me yesterday, sir, I want a legend also. No problem, you give legend. Where to give legend? Okay, here top left is good, as well as top is also good. Let it be top, and you place some gate and you change the position. And legend. Here you can write whatever things, correct things you can write. Chemical 1, chemical 2, chemical 3, or pressure 1, pressure 2, pressure 3. Now I am going to do only this Y, okay, Y, and YY, YY, okay, and YYY, YYY, okay, and you can, that bracket we have to close. You have to fill the rectangles, and I am giving an assignment. You can use circles, rectangles, ellipses, so many things you can use. And the C bracket, you have to give the same color. Red is what? Red is the first one is red, correct? Otherwise, it will be misleading one, correct? Therefore, you are going to say dark magenta, dark magenta, dark magenta, okay, and one is purple, last one is purple, PURPLE, okay, last one is purple, okay. Therefore, you run these things. If there are no mistakes, it will run. Some mistakes are there. No, it is asking more. Yes, I understood. I have not closed the brackets. I have not closed the brackets. Therefore, in the middle, it is coming like this. It is not good now. It is not good. Therefore, I am going to do everything from the beginning. Everything from the beginning. Yeah. Then I want horizontal may be good. Horis is equal to true. Horis is equal to true. Horis is equal to true. Yeah. Now it is touching the top side. Suppose you want to put it below. Here, what is x-axis? X-axis is 2.5. 2.5. Okay, y-axis 103. Therefore, top you can avoid. 2.5 x-coordinate, y-coordinate is 102. 102. Okay, again I have to start from the beginning, then only it will, otherwise that will be there and this will overwrite. Okay, now you can select the position of the legend you want. Now you see, it is not touching. Now if you find that more spacing is there, 102, you can make it 104. 104. Again, don't worry, it will take only a second. Okay, and like this you can make more beautification. If you want here, what is to be done? Position is 5 and 1. 5 y coordinate 5, second y, so the x coordinate 5, y coordinate 1. That's all. It will come down. Otherwise, you can give bottom right. Bottom right you can give. Bottom right you can give. Okay. In this way you can fix. Yesterday I gave you the assignment. No, it is very low. Very low. Okay. Then 5 I have to keep as I have to change it to 4.5. 4.5. 4.5 and 1 I have changed to 3. Let it be 3, no problem, because it is going to do, we are not going to do. Okay, therefore it is there, and legends you can take. Oh, little bit is needed. No, let it be 10. Let it be 10. Let it be 10. Let it be 10. Chemical reactions, etc. Okay. Okay. I'm stopping the game. Okay. I'm stopping the game, and you can make it clear later. Okay. And yesterday I gave you another assignment regarding fixing the size of the graph. You can fix the height, you can fix the width, etc. Okay, that you do yourself. Therefore, that is what integration, differentiation, and graphing. Okay, so many things we have done. Okay, what is to be done? Just to do this one. That's all. Okay, device dot new. Device dot new. You can fix width is equal to you can select the width of the graph, let it be 5 units, and you can fix height as also 5, and you have to specify whether it is 5 kilometers or 5 meters or 5 centimeters or 5 inches. Unit is equal to cm, centimeters. Otherwise, it will give you something else. Okay, you can for inch IN. Okay, meter we will never do. Meter we will never do. Yeah, it will go to the next screen. This will not do this one. Device 3 is active now. Device 3 is now. Any change in the size of the graph? Yeah, surely. Surely. The height is reduced little bit. Okay. Now you can put legends. Legends, I prefer top. Top is working well, and x-axis YCO 1 and y-axis 104. 104. 104. Yeah. Somebody asked me yesterday about legends and other things. Are you happy? I think that candidate is not present today. Okay. Again, I should say something about DPLYR. DPLYR is an ocean. DPLYR is an ocean. Okay. Okay. This one I simply show. I will not explain. I will not explain these things because all those things are actually not at all important in my opinion. Graph is important, but beautification I don't believe. Yeah, you can put this one. draw a red colored line, vertical lines, you have to specify, that is all, from where you have to draw, that is all. C57, line type 2, etc. AB line, H2080, 20 means what? Height 20, height 80, it will draw a line. Okay, suppose you want to specify. Now, assignment, you can draw arrow here, you can draw small rectangles here, small pentagon here, ellipse here. Okay, suppose you want to make a presentation here. And at this point, you can see that, etc. You can make an ellipse here. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. All those things you study yourself. Okay, and that about that. And where is my DPLYR? I have to go to DPLYR. Okay. Summarize, wonderful thing, summarize. Have you done it yesterday? Please tell me, I forgot it. Summarize. Girish, summarize them.
Yes, sir.
Summarize them. Okay. Therefore, we need not do that. Okay. Summarize is a very good tool. Okay. And relocate. Yeah. Relocate means, what is the purpose of relocate? Suppose you are giving X, Y, Z, etc. Suppose you want to make it Z, Y, X, etc. Okay. Therefore, this one is for that. Actually, that was done using another data. Now I can do with iris data, iris, or another data is an empty cards, wonderful data file, empty cards, wonderful data. We will use that one for regression and other things. Okay, what is empty cards? If you want to know empty cards, help empty cards. It is different type of cards and their characteristics. Actually, it's a actual data. It is not a dummy data. Empty cards, data sets, motor trend car road test. That is a full form of empty cards. Motor trend car road test. The data was extracted from the 1974 Motor Trend US magazine and comprises fuel consumption and 10 aspects of automobile design and performance for 32 automobiles. Very long data, 1973. Okay, you might not have born in that time. Okay, a data frame with 32 observations, MPG, miles per gallon. Okay, it is in US, therefore they are using not liters, they are using gallon. Cylinder, number of cylinders. Okay, that is a part of the car. Displacement, gross horsepower, rear axle ratio, weight. Okay, Q seconds, 1/4 mile time. VS, engine type. 0 means V-shaped engine. 1 means straight, is a binary variable. I will use this one for logistic regression also. Transmission, 0, automatic, 1, manual. Okay, gear, number of forward gears, carb, number of carburetors. I don't know all these 6 because I don't have a car. Okay, therefore here you can see some examples also. Don't worry about those examples. Okay, and if you want to see head data, you will get first 6 rows. You will get the first 6 row. Oh, because head empty cards I have to write. Empty cards I have to write. Okay, and you will get the first 6 rows. Okay, MPG, this is the type of the car, Mazda, Datsun, Hornet, etc. Different types of cars. Miles per gallon. Okay, if you put 1 gallon petrol, how many miles it will travel? Number of cylinders 6, displacement ratio, horsepower, that, etc. Suppose you want to put this MPG at the last. Okay, after entering the data, you may have that feeling. Okay, I have to put this here, that here. For that purpose, you can use relocate. Okay, my data R is equal to empty cars. First, you have to give the name of the data file, percentage greater than percentage pipe operator. Relocate, what is to be relocated from CYL to carb. Understand? That is from cylinder to carburetor. This one before MPG. Dot before MPG. Sometimes he may create problem. No problem. Let me check whether he will create a problem or not. What is the reason for problem? Sometimes he may ask to attach a file. He may say that object, yeah, attach empty cars. Attach empty cars. Therefore, this is also good. You may know what are the reasons for errors. What happens? Empty cars, relocate, cell to burn, MBG. Error in empty cars before MPG could not find a percent. Oh, what is the reason? Tell me. Tell me what is the reason.
My data.
No. That is not the reason. Yesterday, one student asked me, sir, once the book is there in the library, can I read it? No. You have to take DPL by R. Because this percentage greater than percentage operator is available in DPLYR package. Therefore, you have to use of that is how you learn things. Here, this is not found means this function is not available means the package in which that function is available is not activated. Now he will do that work. Yes. The servant is that. Now you can see MPG is coming last. Here MPG was first. Here MPG is coming last. It is not a big thing, but little bit interesting. Okay, relocate. Then mutate. Mutate is very good. I will do a small one. This is the syntax. Mutate data frame expression. Mutate data frame expressions. Or data frame percentage greater than percentage. Mutate expressions. Okay. What example I have to take? I have to take this one. Let us do a small example. Okay. This hash is for comments. Whatever things we write there, it will not be executed. Okay, you can write something, comments, no? The following 10 statements are to find the regression, to do the regression analysis. Following 3 lines are for that, etc. You can do like this. Okay, so that whenever you take that program after some time, it will be very easy for you to find for what purpose you have created those codes. Okay, because we are very notorious for our memory, no? Okay. And
sir, your left screen console is not fully visible. Left side. Can you just move?
Surely.
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Okay. Then I will take name. Name is equal to C bracket AAA. I am very particular to use AAA, BBB, etc. Because if I root something, then the students may be unhappy because why sir is not writing my name, why he is writing her name, why he is not writing his name. A, B, 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 etc. will not create any problem for me. Okay, age is equal to C bracket 25 comma 34 comma 12 comma 20. Okay, this is enough. This is enough. Data dot what name age n is equal to data dot frame first let it be name and then it will be age. Okay, and I want to see NA. Okay, therefore I have to select all the new statements and run. What is NA? What is the reason? Tell me what's the reason. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. N is capital N. N is capital N. That is the reason. I have used capital N there. What is there? Data dot frame 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sometimes NI is something else. That is why. Let me use my dear friend's symbol Dr. M. Manoharan. One of my best friends. Okay, yeah. NI is not available. That is why he has taken like that. It is a reserved word. Therefore, name age. Now the age is given in years. Age is given in years. Now I want to make it to months. Therefore, I have to multiply age by 12. You can do that in different ways. But I want to use what mutate function. Okay, I will show you another way also now, no problem. Mutate age. Don't make any changes in the spelling. Age into 12. For now the age is in years. I want to make this. Okay, mutate age is equal to age into 12 and select and you have to give a new name for that. Age in months. Okay, age. Okay, everything. If there are no mistakes, we will get the answer. No applicable method for mutate apply to an object of class. Oh, something wrong somewhere. Mutate age is equal to age percentage 1 bracket 1 2 3 4. That is okay. Error in use methods. Mutate spelling is correct. No applicable method for mutate apply to an object of class. C double numeric. Okay, age into 12. Just a minute. Age M percentage. Okay. If he is not happy with that, let us try. But okay. Mutate. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. I made a mistake. What is MM? MM percentage greater than percentage. Mutate age M is equal to age into 12. Okay, I think this should work. Yes. Here I have not mentioned the name of the file. I simply told to mutate. Okay, from where I have to mention. That is from this data frame you take. You can see 25 into 12, 300, 34 into 12, I don't know. 12 into 12, 144, I know. 20 into 12, 240, I know. This is how we create new tables. This is very simple. You can use multiple tables. Another way, actually, I taught you before. This is this one. You just use this one. What is to be done? dollar AGM. This is also correct. dollar AGM is equal to dollar age into 12. Age into 12. Okay, dollar age into 12. Okay, then if you want to see then it will come with the 3 rows now. That's what I told you. We can do same thing in different ways. Yeah, 300, 48, etc. Okay. And what is mutate? These are the important things. So many examples I have done. Okay. Rename means what? Suppose you are starting with some name and you find that it is not proper. Variable name, I mean. Okay. Therefore, if you want to change the name of the variable, okay, that is the purpose. Okay. Because this one was amount paid. Therefore, every time I have to type amount paid. I found it's very difficult. Therefore, I changed amount paid to paid. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is one selection. You can select variable with starting with P, variable ending with E. So many things you can do. Okay, selection of variables. Okay, and I shall share this presentation, and you do that one. Max and min, all those things we have done. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Only 24 minutes are there. Therefore, you can ask some questions if you want. Today we have discussed integration, differentiation. Okay.
Sir, the absolute error when you showed in the first part,
Yeah.
how it is calculating using some algorithm of
Yeah, integration. They may be using Newton-Raphson method or some other method.
Okay.
Therefore, whenever the difference between two consecutive values are less than epsilon, they will stop.
Okay.
It will start with the starting value x1. Okay, you know that. I need not tell you. For example, if you consider Newton-Raphson method for finding the roots, okay, then you start with an approximate value x naught, okay, then you find the h, okay, that is what minus fx naught by f dash x naught or f dash x naught by x naught, okay, f of x naught plus h is equal to f of x naught plus h into f dash x naught plus etc. You ignore the higher terms. Therefore, h is equal to f of this one is 0. This one 0. Then h is equal to minus f of x. So correct. minus f of x naught by f dash x naught. Then the new value of x1 is x naught plus h. Then again, you find another h. Then you will get x2. x2 is x1 plus h, etc. Whenever modulus of x1 minus or xn minus 1 is less than epsilon, we stop. This one is that. This one is that. Okay, here it is not doing in the traditional way of integration, it is using some rules, maybe Simpson's rule or Weddell's rule or something like that. Maybe more sophisticated rules. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any other question? Any other question?
മെഷർമെന്റിലെ ഡേറ്റ ഇതിലേക്ക് ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിടാൻ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? കോപ്പി ചെയ്തിടാൻ അല്ലാതെ നമുക്കിപ്പോ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു മെഷർമെന്റ് എടുത്ത് അപ്പൊ അതിലൊരു 1000 ഡേറ്റയോ വല്ലതും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് ഈ അനാലിസിസിന് വേണ്ടി ഇതിൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ മാർഗമുണ്ടോ? അതോ കോപ്പി ചെയ്തിടുകയാണോ വേണ്ടത്?
Oh, I have explained it 3 times. I think you were absent. You were absent on those days. Okay, today I will teach you another method. Another method. You take x and I shall explain how to import data from Word. You can import data from Word or you can import data from, what happens? Sometimes things are very crazy. It is also old like me, but I cannot agree that I am old. Yeah, new file, okay. Suppose you can enter anywhere, you can enter data, okay. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me some data. Tell me some data, easy data. That is pressure and temperature. Pressure and temperature. Okay, I'm just taking 5 values. Okay, 23, 24, 56, 67. Okay, 78, 89, and 100, 110. Like this, you can enter all your 1000 data like this. No problem. When today you got time to enter 4 data, you enter 4 data. File, save as. I am keeping it in the desktop, and I have created a file, created a folder physics, AJKLMNOP, yeah, physics, as plain text. Okay, let the name is pressure. Say, okay. Then you have to go to the address. Where is address? Physics is the folder, and here you can see pressure. Where is pressure? Where is pressure? Yeah, and you take the location. Just click on properties. Okay, copy. Name of the file, pressure.txt. Okay, then what is the thing you have to do? My word is word. My word, read.table. Okay, read.table. You copy the address. Here and make a double dash. What is the name of the file? Pressure.txt. Pressure.txt. Inverted comma close. Header is equal to true. And we have separated the data by comma. We have separated data by comma. That means what? You can separate by comma or semicolon or ampersand or dot or anything like that. No problem. But you have to inform him. You have to inform him. You have to inform him. In this way, okay, in this way, you can enter the data and import. And if you want to see that one, you have to type the name of the data file. Let me check whether there are mistakes. Whether there are mistakes. Where is R? No mistakes. No mistakes. Pressure, temperature, 23, 24, etc. Okay, and I will do the same example once again. Once again, I will do that example because I have to show you something more. I can separate $23. No problem. $56. You can use space. No problem. But don't ask me if I use dollar in one line and ampersand in another line, comma in another line, etc. He will say, I am sorry. That's all. File, save. Okay. File, save as this PC, physics, plain text. Okay, save. Okay, okay. Then I have to go to R. I have to go to R. Okay, where is R? What is the change I have to make? Separator. Separator is dollar. This time the separator is dollar. Okay, separator is dollar. You can use separator ampersand. You can use separator, but make it sure that that is not coming in the data. If that is coming in the actual data, then at that position it will separate. You will get the wrong answer. It will work. Yes, it will work. Okay, it will work. Here separate is dollar. Here separate is comma. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
You can do this in Notepad also. Notepad also you can do, no problem. Where is my dear Notepad? No, I will do it on another day. Okay. Now, something more I will show you today because it is already 11:16. It is already, I promised you that we will discuss ggplot. Today I will give you a flavor of that. And this is not my program. I have stolen it from some other document, or I have taken from some other websites. It uses ggplot and ggforce. Okay, run. Oh my gosh. My gosh. My God, my God, my God. I am a fool. I have closed everything. Where is my August 19th? Fortunately, I have copied everything here to send to you. Therefore, in that way, I am not a fool. All the files are available here. I shall send this to you so that you can. Yeah, one more thing I will do. And this one is very, very important for statisticians. Bivariate normal, f of xy is equal to 1 by 2 pi into e raised to minus of x square plus y square minus infinity less than x less than infinity minus infinity less than y less than infinity. Bivariate normal with the mean vector 0 and variance 1, covariance 0. Okay, and physics people, they are calling this as a Gaussian error distribution. And I want to draw the graph of this one. Okay, and this one, where is my dear? Yeah, this one. This one. And while I was teaching this, I was explaining it with very difficulty. That is, the graph will be something like that. If you put paddy or something like this in a corner, the shape of that will be like that, etc., etc. But here teaching is very simple nowadays. Teaching is very simple nowadays. This is the bivariate normal distribution. Okay, bivariate. If you cut from any side, you can get a normal, univariate normal. Now you can change the rotation. You can. I will teach you on next day. Okay, how to draw this one. You can change. This will be helpful for doctors. This will be helpful for doctors to see where is the damage, okay, where is the tumor, etc. Now you keep this one in your mind. This is the, I have changed the angle to 30-30, 30-30. Now, if you take the angle to something else, you will get a different division. You will get a different division. You will get a different division. Okay. That is, I have to minimize where it is on that one. Yeah. I have to minimize that one. Okay. Now, if you change this angle to 60-60, you keep this one in your mind. 60-60. Okay. 60-60. Then you will get another view, that is data visualization. Another view. You see, it is changing. Now you can take the proper one, which can explain your research topic, and you present 45. This outer means it is clubbing together x value, y value, and function value. That is all. That is the meaning of outer. Nothing else. Very simple thing. Very simple thing. And I am doing this to tell you that our teaching will be more effective using this one. Okay. And another one. It is very difficult to explain to students without the. This is the curve of 10 into sine of root of x square plus y square divided by root of x square plus y square, etc. Even if we explain for 100 times, the students may not get the shape of the curve, where it is maximum, where it is minimum. We may be telling that it is like something like a clown of a joker in the circus, okay, something like that. You see, the students are easily getting the curve is growing like this, then coming down, then it is growing like this. Therefore, this is a maximum, etc. Then you can change. You can change the visual effects. You can change the visual effect. You can change the visual effect. Okay. Then you will get a vision through some other angle. Yeah, like that. This is a three-dimensional curves. You just define the function and you just define the value for the x, just define the value for y. Then you find for each pair of x and y f, that is our outer. X is from -10 to 10. Y is from -10 to 10. For each x and y, you find the value of f. Then you plot. That's a technique. That is a technique. Okay. And the last one is a big surprise for you. Okay. Okay. It was there, everything there for me. This is again for ggplot. I shall do part by part. Simple sine. We are using just sine and cos. This angle is the golden angle. Yesterday I told you Fibonacci sequence. Okay, golden angle. That will make you more beautiful diagrams.
Sunflower.
Yeah, so many things are available. Sunflower, and also our face is in that one, and all the beautiful things like tomb buildings, etc. Okay, this one I want. Let it be there. And where is my graph? And this one, to create a circle, I have to add something more, otherwise it will not work. All these things are possible with some statements, 4 or 5 statements. I will explain all these things next day. This is to draw circles. Just sequence 0 to 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi are sine t, cos t, etc. That's a simple technique. And I am giving you these things so that during Onam time you can think. It is food for thought also. Okay, food for thought. After the Onam feast, you can sit on these things and try. Okay, only angle that pi into 3 minus root of 5. Okay, and where is step one? Only 4, 5 step, only 2 things. This is a long statement, that's all. I will teach you on next day, ggplot. And why I am giving now is, you just download a tutorial for ggplot, and just have a look at that one. Just have a look at that one. Okay, another shade. Okay, and I think this should go with that. I think so. I think so. Okay. And all these are one statement only. Only one statement. ggplot. Again, it is using R. Okay. This is how they are nowadays. Different designs are coming. Okay. And another plot. Okay. You can define angles, etc. This is a surprise for you. Happy Onam. R is
Oh,
giving,
thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you.
R is giving a happy Onam during this time of pandemic. Forget about pandemic and enjoy Onam. Exactly 11:30, I have stopped my discussion. If you have some questions, you can please ask, or you can please send to my mail, or you can even call me, no problem. All these are only just, it is selecting some points into angle. X is sine curve, Y is cos t, and it is forming a data frame, and it is plotting X and Y. That's all. X and Y. Any questions? Any questions? Tell me, are you happy?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
If you have any questions, please ask me. Otherwise, we will meet on sir.
Monday, sir.
We'll meet
Monday,
on
10
Monday.
o'clock.
Okay, Monday we will start our statistics part. And any teacher can talk for at least 100 hours on our basics. Now we have covered the important aspects and other things. Actually, I am sure that without my help or without anybody's help, you can learn by yourself. There's a wonderful book, the R book. It is a book consisting of 1,040 page. 1,040 page. You can download that. The R book. Where is R book? R book. R book. R book. It is actually an old edition. No problem. Even that old edition is good for us. The R book, Computer Science Department. R book second edition is also available. That is also free. It is 1,040 pages or 1,060 pages. You can download this and you are getting wonderful introduction, wonderful data, all those things, what all things we discuss, I have taken from this book only. Applying function, apply, S apply, L apply, whatever things. Don't worry about 1,040 pages. You can read that like a detective novel. Okay, because very interesting, and you don't read all these things. Whenever you need to do something, you just read that portion only. Okay, how to do this one. And another one is wonderful data files are available. Therefore, you can download those data files and do the problem and see whether you are getting the answers they have started from evaluation of mathematical expressions. Wonderful. It is free, absolutely free. So many books are there. So don't take all those books and fill your computer memory. Okay, you take one book, this book you take and read it, that is enough for you. And whenever you want to do something, you just download some articles. Different authors have contributed. Different authors have contributed. Okay, that is actually I have to explain everything discussed in 1040 pages, but it is naturally impossible in this short period. Okay, therefore this one. Any other questions? The R book. I shall put this one in the chat box. Where is our chat box? And you can take it from that one, or you can just type. Yeah, I can share the book also. It is there. I have already downloaded it. Otherwise, you just like the R book. Finish the R book. Of course, this is a first edition, I think. They have, if you want to get the new edition, you have to pay money. But even this first edition is more than sufficient for us. When you become a teacher or something like that, when you start getting salary, then you can buy this book by paying money. Another wonderful book is there, machine learning, something like that. Machine learning through R, like that. I have downloaded that book somewhere here. That's also a beautiful book. Machine learning through R, I think. Machine learning with R. That is also free. The old one is free. You can freely download it. The new one is rupees 2099. Okay, you take the old version. But I am sure that chemistry people, etc., they may not be needed all these things. Machine learning with R, machine learning with learning scientist with R. Okay. Any other questions? Any other suggestions? Tell me. Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. If you have no, well, I am asking students. You can ask me. Only in classrooms you need to be silent. Okay, in online classes you have to act. If you have no questions, happy Onam. We will meet on 23rd. And with your permission, shall I leave?